Start the video.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Dare Dog.
And Daisy Tunes.
And what are we doing today? What are we doing today?
We are making a tornado fort because if you didn't know, right now we're under tornado watch.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it in the basement.
I don't have it on my phone because my phone's new. I just got this
And we
phone
got
today.
pranked last night, so we're gonna use the dum-dums that feel stuck in our yard and we're gonna bring them down there. Cause why not?
Because they're amazing.
And I'm gonna bring Spencer's lizard blanket. That'll keep us company because that's like Spencer being with us. And what else we bring? We bring food and water and stuff. We got food.
What about your wolf?
Well, yeah, we gotta bring him. He's part of the family too. Rolf's part of the family too. We can't bring him. Forget him. What about the pillows?
We can't bring him. We can't bring him. He's part of the family.
What about a pillow?
What about your lucky taco?
No, don't knock down my bird whistle. No.
What about this?
That's just press ball. I know it's like hard now.
Yeah, we need to bring it because it's in honor of Spencer.
And no, it's not his taco. I bought this. This is my lucky taco. And
His lucky taco.
This is mine. I paid for this.
I paid for it. I gave it to you. I think.
No, I paid for it. I got it from the dollar store.
Oh well, you went with us.
I got it from the dollar store. The best place.
Yeetus my fetus.
And I'm gonna put some of these in the Dum Dum basket.
Yeetus.
And we should go downstairs and get a pillow from the guest room. Grab the Dum Dum basket. We don't need the Sound Expensive merch. Oh guys, we have Sound Expensive merch. Alright, grab the Dum Dum basket. We're both ink suckers while recording so our voices sound weird.
Yeah.
Because why not?
They're the best. It's the bomb.
We should bring our fidget spinners too. I'm bringing the fidget spinners too, just in case you get bored. Just in case you get bored.
Lame. Those things are lame, dude.
That's why I'm bringing them.
Fidget spinner.
That's why I'm bringing it, because they're lame. Should I show the sticky notes too that got left out in their door?
Sure.
They're all on the table. Like they have a bunch of graduates' names that says class of 2019 and stuff like my dad. The 8th grade graduates left them. Alright, I'm gonna take these down to the basement. And stuff before. We gotta have it on the side of the Fire Stick TV, don't we?
Sure.
Okay, guys, look at how many Transformers are down here. Look at this.
There's at least over 500, I think.
And you think these are mine, don't you?
No.
They're
Dad's.
Yeah, they're my dad's. But he freaking loves these things. We'll set up the fort after we're get over things. Just kind of bring things down.
Yes.
And yeah. And you're gonna record me setting up. So I'm recording this good things.
Okay.
What pillows? Do we need any pillows? Look! Hi, buddy! Ronan! Hi! Do you have kisses? Oh, good boy. Are you still down there? Okay then. I got the best snack around. Can you guess what it is?
What?
Guess what I got?
Coke.
No.
Dang it. Pringles.
Cards!
Okay.
Playing cards.
Since when are those playing cards?
Remember that? We're like, is this your card?
Oh! Oh yeah, I remember that.
Let's do it right now. Then we'll set up. And we have sodas down here too, so yeah.
I'm already on summer break, bro.
I'm off this Friday.
I know, you told me. I know everything that you're
Can I
doing.
pick a card? Any card?
Pick a card. Any card.
I choose the last one.
The last one. Was this your card?
Yeah!
Wow, I'm magical.
My hands are burning. Okay, so now we're done here. We gotta set up, don't we?
Yes.
Oh, crap, I forgot to grab pillows. Pillows! One
Yes.
for us.
Yes.
I'm gonna put this blanket like right on the floor.
Put it in the corner.
Over here by these transformers.
Uh-huh.
Alright. There's like 5,000. We'll also give you a transformer tour at the end of the video, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
As a thank you for 14 subscribers.
Has a thank you for 14 subscribers.
Hey, it's a good first goal.
I thought it would be I can't speak. My mouth isn't
Hey,
working.
guys, if I reach 20 subscribers, then I'll do a life story. I'm telling you that right now.
You should do a draw my life.
Oh, I suck at drawing.
Oh, I can draw it for you.
They're drawing good.
I know, I can draw good.
Somehow I don't trust you.
I know, because sometimes I like to draw stick figures, but then again, I
So
like
I'll
to
put
draw.
I should put the dum-dums right in the middle of us.
Yeah.
And you get the stress ball. And
I get the Pringles.
No, we both get the Pringles.
I get the Pringles.
No, we both get the Pringles. Here, I don't want to put them over here right now.
I want one.
Fine, take one. I'm gonna put them with the dum-dums. You said one.
This is one.
No, it's not.
It is.
That is not one.
It is one. Can I have 4?
We're like,
Like-
10 million.
Yeah, that's like the whole
Then we
thing.
got sodas,
Yeah, get the sodas.
because you need sodas. And if you have to pee, just go in there and there's a drain. Well, there's no tornado right now, so we can go upstairs. We have Mountain Dew and cream soda. We don't have any Coke. What do you
Coke.
want? What?
Wait.
We don't have Coke. We have Mountain Dew, we have cream soda. What do you want?
Cream soda.
The rest has beer, so we can't have that.
Oh, I want that.
No, we're under 21.
Wait, hold on. That's too small. Get me Mountain Dew.
Okay, you like Mountain Dew now. This is Spencer's favorite soda, too.
Mountain Frost. Give me that Mountain Frost.
And now let's go sit. A weed roll in our fidget spinners. I call the blue one.
Let me have my phone.
Oh, grab your freaking phone.
I'm grabbing my freaking phone.
This is my side. And you're gonna eat all the Pringles now, right?
Mm.
You get the yellow.
I only have one Pringle. I need more. Look, I only have one.
That's like 10.
It's like, I don't know how much that is actually.
I got my Rolf because he's part of the family.
Oh no.
Don't knock any Transformers down.
Oh no.
So now that we don't really have anything else to do, why don't you pass the camera over to me and I'll give you a Transformer tour. Here's the first area we're walking down. And now we go to side 1. This is Metroplex, my dad's largest Transformer in the collection right now. Let me flip the camera sideways. Here's this Transformer toy table, and all these toys are like half broken because they're... Don't mind that. That's just a creep being back.
That's me.
This is a grand person in the background.
Yeah, a homeless man living in your house.
Here's my favorite series, is Beast Wars. I love that show. Oh, I zoomed in too far. Yeah, these kind of come around. You could see all these Transformers my dad owns. Yeah, like I'm not a big Transformer nerd like he is, but I do like some of the
Spin 'em
shows.
up and down, oh yeah.
And I guess we don't really have anything else to do, so what do you have to say?
See you in a minute.
Bye. More like a year. Ronan.